Hey guys, it's Vickie Kinner, independent Scentsy consultant, Scentsy director with Team Scented Style. Today I'm excited. I got a ton of Scentsy, and so I'm doing all my unboxings. It's like 9 o'clock at night, and I don't even care because I've been waiting all day for these boxes. And so let's unbox them. All right, so if you like this video, please give it a like. And if you enjoy my content, please consider subscribing. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you know when I've posted something new. And comment below. Let me know what you think. Do you have any questions? I don't know. Let me know. All right, you guys, let's get into it. So I'm super excited. I just got some stuff in from a party, and you guys, I got a ton of stuff free and half price. And so I'm going to share this with you. But first, let me explain how I get stuff free and half price. Okay, when you do a Scentsy party, which literally could just be like you pass out the link to your friends and they order, once it hits 200, you start earning hostess rewards. So, and that includes free and half price stuff. So I was able to close a party that had 500 PRV in it. I sold 500 in it. So I got 3 half price items, plus there's an additional half price item that I earned called the Perpetual Party Rewards. So that's another half price. Then I got a ton of free stuff. Then I actually was able to gift a join kit from my hostess credits to someone. So that was amazing, and they're so excited. They've been already starting to work their business. So that was great. And then what's even better is when you close a party in the month of August, it has to start in August and end in August. Once that party hits 350, they have 3 different warmers, and it's random which ones you're going to get. And they will send you a warmer. And so far, I have gotten 2 of the aloe vera warmers, which I just love. They're going to be gifted. Hello Christmas, hello birthdays. And then now I got one that I did not have, and I'm super excited to get this one. And so let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing that I got was, I'll show you the half price item that I got. It takes 3 half price items to get this because it's a higher priced item. How many times am I going to say item? I don't know. But it's a bigger thing. So it takes 3 half price rewards in order to get this half price. And so, dun dun dun, I had already gotten myself one. It is an air purifier. It is the most amazing thing. I'm obsessed. I'm not going to unbox this because my daughter's going to take it home. This one's for her. But I will, however, link the video that I did on air purifiers. Believe me, you want to watch it because when I first saw the price of an air purifier, I was like, I don't know if I need that. I don't know. And then I saw someone in one of the director pages, one of the Scentsy director pages on Facebook, say that it gets rid of the smell of cat litter. And you guys, I have 4 cats, and even though other people can't smell it, I feel like I can smell it because I'm like so like paranoid that my house is gonna smell, which like with Scentsy it doesn't, but I feel like I really stress about it. I don't like cat litter, okay? You can literally stand next to the litter box and not smell it at all with this thing. So I had to buy my daughter one. Well, I didn't quite buy, well, I guess I did, but I paid half price. So that was amazing. So I'm excited to give that to her. So another thing that I got these for free. I got cotton cleanups, which I'm obsessed. This is how I love to clean my warmers. You just dunk them in, it soaks up the wax, and then you toss it. So that's amazing. The next thing I got was a couple thing of pods, and I'm so excited to use these. I'm actually gonna send, I've been collecting pods in all of my free and half price. I've been getting pods. So I have quite a few right now. So I think I'm gonna send these with my daughter. So this one is First Day of Fall, and it's phenomenal. I got it for free. I got it for free, you guys. First Day of Fall, amazing. Smells so good. I got to give that to her to take home. The next one is Pumpkin Roll. Do I want to give her pumpkin? I don't want, but see, they're all my favorites. Oh my God, Pumpkin Roll is insanely good. It's so good. Okay, yeah, I have to send her with some of my favorites. Okay, so those two I got for free in this party. I also got a bar of Pumpkin Roll. If you like pumpkin and a bakery together, like, this is the one. All right, so then we have these new things called travel twists, and they have taken the place of our travel tins, and I'm obsessed. I got 2 of them for free with my Hostess rewards. So let me show you how these work. These are actually perfect for back to school. So if you have back to school kids and they have a locker, you need these. Okay, and I'm going to show you why. Okay, so you open it up and it's this plastic piece. Okay, this one's vanilla bean buttercream. I love anything vanilla. Obsessed. Okay, so you just twist it for as much scent as you want. So if you just want like a little bit of scent, you just open it up a little bit. But if you want the big kahuna, the full Monty, you open it up all the way. Oh man, that's good. So the way I would use it is I would get, not the glue dots, the Velcro dots. And I'd put a piece of Velcro here and a piece of Velcro in the locker. And I would just, and so for the regular locker, like for books, I would just open it up a little bit. That's all you'd need because it's such a small space. But for the gym locker, booyah, that's what I would do. Yum, 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 yum. So these are amazing. I'm super excited. Like I said, these are brand spanking new. All right, so I got the air purifier. Like I said, I will be dropping the link for the video. And then I got this half price. This was with my perpetual party reward, and it's Take Me Home. And I've been wanting this one. It's super cute. Super duper cute. All right, so let's go ahead and open it up and then check it out. All right, so has the little grommets, has the bulb. It's a 15-watt clear bulb. Now, all of our warmers, except for the ones that have Edison bulbs, you can change the color of the bulb. We have different color bulbs. So this would be cute for Halloween. You can do purple, you can do green, what have you. So you just screw it in there. You put the little grommet on here, which I'm not going to do because I'm going to put it on a stand. So I'll show you in a second. And then let's see the warmer. It is so cute. I've been wanting this one and I just haven't gotten a chance to get it. Take Me Home, it says. So let's go ahead and see the detail on that. Like, how pretty is that, right? And then the dish is back here. So the way it works is you just put it on and then, oh, this is the front. So then I would just do it this way, plug it in, booyah, like that. Now, people ask, what is this button? Well, that turns it on and off. But like, check this out. This button right here, if your outlets are not vertical, let's say they're horizontal, you can change this and just turn it so that whatever direction your outlet is facing, this will always be up and perfect, okay? So what I wanted to show you was I'm going to put it on a tabletop base to turn it on for you. And we're going to use a couple different light bulbs. All right, so a tabletop base is sold separately. It's $15, okay? And it just makes it so you can sit it on a table rather than plugging it into an outlet. So let me go ahead and plug this in. Is it that way? Yeah. All right. So now we're going to put it on with a clear bulb. All right. Let's see. Is it on? Yes. All right. All right. So you guys ready? Let's see. 1, 2, and 3. So let's see if I turn this off. If you guys can see the glow better. Yes, you can. Look how pretty that is. Love lives here. Look at how pretty, you guys. Isn't that gorgeous? I love that. Love lives here. So, but check it out. I want to show you with colored bulbs, you guys. I'm obsessed with colored bulbs. Let's see, what do I have in my dish here? I have blue, I have purple, and I have red. Blue, purple, and red. So let's try it with these colors on. And you may not like this warmer with these colors, but you may be like, ooh, I have a warmer at home that would look great with that. The red, hello, cute for Christmas. This would be super cute for Christmas. And then you just decorate it with your Christmas stuff. Hello, cute. Love it. Just gives it a little different detail. Very cute. I like it in the red for Christmas. Because this, I think, is going to go in my living room. I really like it. All right, blue. Let's see if I like it in blue. I don't know what season I would use it in blue. And I need to get my green bulb out. I think it's, oh, I had my green bulb. It's somewhere here. All right, so let's go ahead and see what it looks like with blue. That's pretty. So if you have blue decor, this would be pretty. And a lot of people have like this color blue for Christmas decor. So that would be pretty too. We've had warmers that were like that tealish kind of blue. That would look good. All right, now let's see what it looks like with purple. Now, if you follow me, you know that I'm not a huge fan of our purple bulb. It's kind of dark, but let's see how it looks with this porcelain warmer. So 1, 2, and 3. Again, I'm not a huge fan. However, I kind of do like that could be spookified for Halloween. So very cute. I do kind of like it for Halloween, but I think for this warmer, I still prefer the clear bulb. All right. So we're going to show it one more time with the clear bulb. And so let's go for it. All right. 1, 2, and 3. Love lives here. So that's a beautiful warmer. I really like this one. Super pretty. All right. So now I'm going to open up that warmer that I was excited to get because I do not have it. And so I'm kind of excited because I've been wanting that one. I just haven't gotten it. All right, so let's go ahead and put all this stuff back in here. Put all that back in here. All right, so like I said, the tabletop base is an additional $15. And you need to know whether your warmer is glass or whether it is ceramic because they are different. All right, so I know it's dark, but I want to show you that other warmer, and it's another porcelain warmer. So I want to keep it dark in here. All right, let me move this. All right, so I'm excited. So I got this for free because my order went over $3.50. So this is the Amazing Grace warmer. Love, 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 love. Very pretty. And I believe it's the ceramic warmer. I believe so. So let's go ahead and open it up. This is beautiful. All right, so it's got a frosted dish. And it is ceramic. All right, let me start just kind of taking this stuff off. What size bulb is that? Is it a 20? Oh, good. I have a lot of 25 waters. All right. So let's open this up. Ooh, I love the back. Okay. So check out the back. You see the doves? These will reflect on your, whatever, your wall, whatever's behind it. So it'll reflect on your bookshelf, your wall, what have you. Super pretty. And it says Amazing Grace. I know it's dark, but once I plug it in, you will see what it looks like. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and put that in. And then we will, let me grab my, I don't want to drop it. All right, so this is what it looks like. All right, you guys ready? 1, 2, and 3. Ooh, you can see it perfect right there. And you guys see, oh, you can't really see the doves on me. Oh, I guess you can kind of see them. There we go. There we go. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Super pretty. Oh my gosh. So, Amazing Grace. That is super pretty. So now I'm going to go ahead. I want to put it with, let's see what other colors I have. I have green. I have red. I don't know if I would like red with it. I think blue or green. I think my preference is most likely going to be the clear on this warmer. But let's check it out because you just never know. All right. So 1, 2, and 3. Uh-oh. I don't think this bulb is any good. I think I broke this bulb. I know it's not that. Is it the bulb? Yeah, I think it's the bulb. All right, so we're going to skip it with the green, and we are going to go straight to blue. And check it out. Because my green bulb is no good. I got to throw it away. All right, 1, 2, and 3. That's kind of pretty, but it's not as bright as I would like. But I do like how it comes out of the, like, that looks pretty. But I still prefer it in the clear. I think the clear is the way to go with this warmer. But you can use a different color. But let's put it back with the clear and get another view. See what you guys think. All right, you guys. 1, 2, and 3. That is just so pretty. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. That is beautiful. What a great gift. This would be a beautiful gift for Christmas. So anywho, so that is what I got, you guys. Let me unplug this so that I don't drop it on the floor. I don't trust myself, and I'll turn this back up. So that was my haul, you guys. What do you think? Let me know and drop your questions below, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.